Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be exploring Blocksy's breadcrumbs tab. Okay, so let's just go on our shop and open up a product of ours. Okay, like so, and let's just choose something that probably has some categories to it. Let's go with this tablet. We haven't opened this one in a while. And you can see we have our home button here, arrow, electronics, which is its category, arrow, and then this tablet. So that's what this is. And it doesn't apply to just your shop, it applies to your whole website. Now, in order to customize this, let's go ahead and click on Customize, which takes us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, we have our options here on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, we have our Preview tab. And let's just go ahead and look for the tablet again. Just so we can have parity between the two tabs here, the actual website and the preview over here. Okay, here we are, and let's click on this. And while that's loading, let's go ahead and enter our options over here. Let's navigate the menu. We have General. Let's click on that. And the third option here is Breadcrumbs. Let's click on that. And now we have two tabs here. We have our general options here, and we have our design options. Now let's start with the separator. So the separator, we can choose from three different icons here. So the arrows over here. When I choose these ones, it changes the icon. And I'll probably go with the / here, type 3. Just to make it look simple, and that looks good. Now for our home item, which is this, we can either have text. Okay, and it says home, or we can say main page, right? And we can have it say main page here. It's going to take a while to reload. And again, we can have single page or post title. Let's disable that and see what happens. And you can see we only have this and this, and then the post title, which is this, or the page title, which is our item over here. It disappears from here. So I'll just keep that enabled. And moving forward, we have, we can enable or disable the taxonomy title or single page. And we lose the category over here. And we can also enable or disable these other ones here. So let's see how this looks like. Okay, and you can see now we have main page or home page, shop, electronics, and then our tablet over here. And you can toggle whether or not you want certain elements here to be visible or not. Okay, because sometimes you just want to have your home page, electronics, and then you'll have your title over here. It just makes it look a bit cleaner. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and enter our design tab. And you can see we can change our font. Let's change it to a serif font, since this is a sans serif font. And then we can change our breadcrumb colors. So we'll make it like bright red, and then our initial link is going to be, let's say, green. And then when we hover over it, it should turn brown. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and click on Publish. And now we can reload our site and see the difference between our old one and our new breadcrumbs. So there's your two tabs on your breadcrumbs tab in WordPress Blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.